What's good, everyone? Audiolithic Mac back with another video. And again, I'm headed to work. Headed to work like all hard-working people do. Big ups to all the people who have jobs, pays their bills, and provides for their families responsibly and legitimately, right? Now, I'm going to address EA Ski again. Yeah, he called me names now. He started the name calling me homosexual and satanic and all that, right? But I'm going to give everyone an ominous warning, because I know that name calling. One thing I learned in life: when you expose the truth, the name calling follows. So I'm not worried about no name calling. Martin Luther King wasn't even worried about name calling. He had a calling. Do you understand? He had a calling. So he didn't worry about white supremacists and racists calling him names. He had a calling, right? So this is my anonymous warning. What are you guys going to do with all that hardware that you have bought, that you have earned no money in return from, to substantiate the cost of that gear? What are you going to do when AI is fully at maximum potential? Where you can make a song, mix a song, master a song, and release a song, and get monetary compensation from a song, all using AI. What are you going to do with all that hardware that you purchased? At the same time, you're not even making any money from the hardware you purchased. The money you are using to purchase the hardware comes from either your job or some type of other financial benefit. But are you buying this gear from the actual money you have earned from music itself? Ask yourself that question. Because AI is currently removing a lot of jobs. And it's going to be a matter of time before AI gets so powerful when it reaches 100% full potential. So, I mean, you can call me names and all that. I don't care. I'm not going to call you any names. I don't play that game. I'm just here to pass information, right? And call out misinformation that I see on YouTube, because a lot of these individuals would rather exploit you for and use misinformation as a means of them earning money. And most of the time, it's your hard-earned work money that they have brainwashed you into giving to them. And that's why they're all desperate, mad, because it's part of the element of fear, right? So I'm not going to say anything more about this topic. I'm going to let your mind and your soul and your spirit decipher everything that I presented to you. And with that being said, Audiolithic Mac is out. And I'm not talking about EA Ski or any of these content creators, because that's all they are. And they are panhandlers and they are grifters. Because that's the only way they can earn money, from grifting and panhandling on these social media apps while spreading misinformation and exploiting vulnerable individuals who are somewhat oblivious. So, with that being said, take my message as you seem fit, or as you may, and I'll be back with another video. And yes, the free drums will be in effect. That's going to happen, because with AI, there's no reason to buy any drums anymore. There's no reason to waste that money buying drum kits. That's just the fact of it all. There's no reason to do so. So you might as well, it's free, get it. It's already free. You might as well get it free anyway. It doesn't matter. With that being said, I'm out. Peace and much love and respect.